Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today it is the electronic configuration of the alkali and alkaline earth metals. So let's have a look at what is the main electronic configuration or the physical constants of the alkali and alkaline earth metals or the S block elements. Mainly when we talk about the S block elements here we will discuss about the elements of group 1A and the group 2A elements, and the group 1A elements are basically known as alkali metals, and the group 2A elements are known as alkaline earth metals. And here we have the word that is electronic configuration. Basically, electronic configuration it is a simple arrangement or the distribution of the elements or the distribution of the electrons of the atoms of an element into shells and subshells. So that distribution of electrons is known as basically the electronic configuration of the elements. It was just to understand the behavior properties of the different atoms of an element, and it also tells us about the reactivity, the number of electrons that are present in valence shell, or in turn it tells us about the valency. So a lot of information we just gain from the electronic configuration of an atom. So let's discuss the electronic configuration of the alkali metals. We have alkali metals. The first one is lithium. Its symbol is Li as its atomic number is 3. So we have to distribute the 3 electrons. So its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. On the other hand, the second element we have sodium. Its symbol is Na and atomic number is 11 and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. So here you just keep in mind that 1 is just denoting the number of electrons, that S is the subshell, and that 2 is the shell number. So from the electronic configuration, we may be able to know the shell number, number of electrons, subshells, and the valence shell. Which one is the valence shell, and how many electrons are present in the valence shell of an atom. Then we have the potassium, its symbol is K, atomic number is 19, it means it is having total 19 protons and 19 electrons, so we have to distribute total 19 electrons. So its electronic configuration is 1s2, where we have 2 electrons plus 2s2 and 2p6, 2 plus 6 plus 3s2 and 3p6 plus 2 and 6 and plus 4s1. So the total number of electrons is 19 and its valence shell is 4s1, which contain one electron in its valence shell. So that's why these elements are known as group 1A elements. Then we have rubidium. Its symbol is Rb, atomic number is 37. So here we have just placed 37 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This is K shell, L shell, this is the M shell, and fourth is N shell, and the fifth one is O shell. So its outermost shell is 5s1, shell number is 5, number of electrons in the valence shell is 1, and the subshell is S. So that's why they are known as S block elements in the periodic table. The last one we have cesium. Its symbol is Cs. Atomic number is 55. So we have to arrange 55 electrons. It was very simple. The first shell K, 1s2, then second shell L, 2s2, 2p6, third shell, fourth and fifth, and the sixth one is the last shell C, 6s1. Just have one electron in its valence shell, and in turn when they have one electron in their valence shell, so they can lose the electron easily and they just exhibit the property of metallic character. They are metals, in turn they are good conductors, and in turn they are more reactive. So this was just simple overview about the alkali metals and their electronic configuration. After that we have the electronic configuration of the alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals are the group 2A elements. They have two electrons in their valence shell. For this reason, we just write over there the first element is beryllium, symbol is B and atomic number is BE and atomic number is 4. So its electronic configuration, the electronic configuration of helium, and the last one is 2s2. So if we write it as 1s2 and 2s2, the last valence shell is 2s2, which contain two electrons in its valence shell, and the last shell number is or subshell is S subshell. So that's why they are known as S block elements, and they have two electrons, so the group number is 2. Then we have magnesium, atomic number is 12, so its electronic configuration will be the electronic configuration of neon, which is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and then we have the 3s2. So this is a simple electronic configuration of magnesium. Then we have for the calcium, electronic configuration of argon. So all these are noble gases where the eighth group just ends up. And next we just take the start from the second one. Calcium, its electronic configuration we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and we have 4s2. So this is a simple electronic configuration of the elements of the periodic table, which is alkaline earth metals. On the other hand, alkaline earth metals are also have strong metallic character because they have two electrons to lose, so they can lose their two electrons and changes into the positively charged cations. In turn, they are also very reactive in nature. So this is the simple overview about alkali and alkaline earth metals electronic configuration. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next topic that we will discuss, it is the occurrence of alkali and alkaline earth metals. For that time, you guys have a good day and Allah Hafiz.